Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai launched 75 electric buses of the Bengaluru Metropolitan Transport Corporation. The buses started operating from Monday. These buses are a part of the centre's FAME 2 scheme, under which a total of 300 electric buses will be operated on a gross cost contract model in Bengaluru. The buses have been made by Switch Mobility, a subsidiary of Ashok Leyland. The buses are non-AC with a seating capacity of 40+1. The vehicles are installed with tracking units, CCTV, LED route display boards and emergency panic buttons for passenger safety. All the buses will be supplied, maintained and operated by Switch Mobility. They are all equipped with modular batteries with an aim to enable a higher range of kilometer. Out of the 75 buses, 10 were deployed between Kempegowda bus stand and Vidya Narayanapura, 20 between Shivajinagar bus stand and Yelahanka, 10 from Yelahanka to Kengeri bus stand, 15 buses between Kempegowda bus stand and Yelahanka, and 20 buses between Hebbal and Central Silk Board.